Have you ever thought about putting sunscreen on a wooden fence? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and find out why sunblock for your fence is so important right after this. Could your backyard use a makeover? You can create beautiful outdoor living spaces with Rumblestone from Pavestone. Create a paver patio or walkway, garden retaining wall, grill enclosure, fire pit, or even an outdoor kitchen. These rustic building blocks make it easy and they look great. Rumblestone from Pavestone is available at the Home Depot. And be sure to check out the project ideas and how-to videos at pavestone.com. That's pavestone.com. Everybody knows you need sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. The same principle applies to a wooden fence, but instead of burning, the wood will turn gray, warp, crack, or cup. The solution begins with a thorough cleaning. Use a detergent made especially for fences or decks and a pressure washer to remove the dirt, algae, and mold that are causing it to discolor. It's important that you don't allow the cleaner to dry on the wood. Rinse it off within 15 minutes and be careful not to use too much water pressure. Wood should be washed with pressure between 500 and 800 psi to prevent damage. Once the fence is clean, you'll want to stain or seal the wood to help protect it from the sun's UV rays. An oil stain is the best choice to really penetrate and protect your fence for years to come. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.